Hi and welcome. In this build video I'll be making a vanity cabinet unit designed by Thomson Brothers. The cabinet is made from an artificial rosewood veneer and is balanced with a sapele veneer for the interior. I mostly use handheld power tools and different types of jigs, including the PEANUT Jig. The cabinet is joined using the PEANUT 2 connecting system and glued. I start by cutting the piece for the sides and the doors. I cut the edge off of a full sheet, then measure and cut from this edge so the strip is parallel. Before I cut the cross grain, I mark each piece as I want the grain to follow round the sides and across the doors. Here I repeat the process for the top and bottom of the cabinet. For the back, I'm using 18mm or 3/4 ply. This will make the cabinet nice and rigid and also give the support to fix the unit to the wall. I jigsaw a section out of the back rail to allow for any pipes to come through. Here I'm preparing the doors for the handle detail. First I route the back of the doors, leaving about 1mm on the face and square off the corners. I cut a couple of blocks of solid sapele and glue them into the rebate in the door. Now the panels are edged, I set up my router ready for using the PEANUT Jig. Here I'm setting up the bench with stops to speed up the routing process. I can now machine the slots into the two side panels. And end drill the top, bottom and the back ready for the PEANUT 2s. I make a simple jig for the handle detail. First I route most of the material away by using a straight cutter and finish with this cutter to cut the handle detail. The final machining is to drill the hinges and hinge plates. Now the panels are ready for a quick sand. And I give them a couple of coats of oil. I love the way the grain changes colour after the first coat. When the oil has set, I insert the PEANUT 2s. I can now simply glue and join the cabinet together. Then fit the doors. This was an enjoyable cabinet to make and I think it looks fantastic in this modern shower room. Thanks for watching.